Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Pang Dwaine Vlog starring Bibo. Dito po ako ngayon sa bagong bahay ng tatay ko. Yes, bumili siya ng bahay. Well, ng magulang ko, di ba? Yes, bumili sila ng bahay. Yan ang bahay. Dito po ako sa backyard nila. At dito po sa backyard nila may river! Ayun no? Ganda no? May river sa likod ng property nila. So, parang canal block ang peg. No? Ang ganda. Oh, tingnan nyo, may mga pato din. May mga pabibe, oh. Ayun, no? May mga pabibe.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
You know, wildlife dito, daming iba't ibang mga ibon sa backyard nila mismo, no? Minsan pinapakain din nila ang mga pato dito. Yes, so eto guys, itutur ko kayo sa bagong bahay ni tatay. Pero bago tayo mag-umpisa, mag-drone shot muna tayo. Okay, so ito yung floating pontoon nila. Yes, so we can walk on the pontoon. Oh, nagpa-float siya, oh, di ba? Nasa river na nga siya eh. Nasa sapa. Yes. There's the docks. Oh, tingnan nyo, ganda no? Wala pa. Ang haba ng river eh. Pwede kayo mag-boating dito. Nakabili sila bago pa lang actually, like mga 2 weeks ago pa lang. So, bagong bahay talaga. Ngayon, ayusin po namin yung bahay. Ipaparent na lang nila. Kasi medyo sira yung bahay. Kaya mura siya. Ayun no. Let's walk off the pontoon. Oh, may stairs dito. Papalitan ang mga stairs na to kasi illegal daw. You brought your fishing rod, mate.
See the fence? It's good, isn't it?
Oh, I know. She's rooted mad.
Oh no!
I need to fix up the fence, eh? Nitro! Hello, baby! Welcome sa bagong bahay ni Palolo. Yehey! Oh, what's this place, huh?
Kadada mo na akong dara.
Oo nga eh. You wanna go to Grandpa? Si Grandpa pumunta dun. Sa may, sapa. Sige, Nitro. Tara na sa sapa. Sige na. Yes, di.
Come on, let's feed the ducks.
Woohoo! Ito yung deck nila. Veranda. Looking out over the river. Nitro!
Look at Daddy.
Nitro!
Look at Daddy.
What's this place, huh?
See, he remembers.
Yeah! Chucking it in the water.
This one.
Tapon mo na yan.
This one.
Woohoo! Nitro! Is this fun, huh? This is a cool place, hey? Palolo's gonna go fishing. Nitro, mga pinsan mo, mga bibe. Oh, pabibe.
Don't walk into the river, oh my gosh.
You can't go in the river, Nitro. You don't know how to swim. Just a baby. That's your brim, mate.
She's massive.
You caught some dinner. There's actually a heap of fish in here, eh? That's pretty cool. There you go, mate. You found your dream property. Your canal block. You can come out of the backyard and go fishing every day. Catch some brim, catch some ducks. Mga bibe, oh. Dami. Oh, Nitro, you want to feed the ducks? Nitro, you want to feed the ducks? Hey?
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Oh, di ba? Masarap dito. Masarap dito sa backyard lang ang sapa, no? So, ito ba yung bahay? So, ito siya. Ayun, pasok na po tayo. So, i-renovate ni Palolo itong bahay na to. Oh.
It's looking for you.
Yeah. Hey, Vivi. This is Grandpa's house. Hey, Grandpa's new house. Yes.
He fixing the ladder. He fixing everything.
Oh yeah, new carpets, mate. Yeah, looks good. Very nice. So, ngayong araw, tulungan ko si tatay kasi meron siyang kailangan ayusin sa atip. Hindi siya kasya sa atip. Tsaka matanda na siya. Kaya ako na lang. So what are we doing, mate?
So we're going to get in the ceiling and see where the plasterboards let go on the trusses and screw it back up.
Is that why that's like that?
And then we put a bracing piece on the crack and screw inside the crack so it can't crack again.
Oh, okay. Alright. You're making lots of noise there, boy. Hey, where
Are
you
those
going?
new carpets?
Yeah, new carpet.
Don't go in there, Nacho.
Wow, Sasyan.
No, don't go in there.
No, he's alright. He's alright.
But he'll make it.
He's not gonna make it. He's okay. Let him go. Let him go. He's alright. A light?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got my phone.
Well, actually, if I turn this.
Oh, noisy.
Oh, you're excited, aren't you? Yes. Excited to baby Nitro.
So, what do you got for them?
Alright, so papasok ako dyan. Alright guys, if I die, avenge me.
Okay. Hawakan mo si Daddy.
Sana walang daga sa loob.
Sigaw ka na lang pag mayroong daga. Uy, Nitro, where are you going? Let's watch it, Daddy.
Bring back memories, mate.
Yes.
It's got insulation. It doesn't even have any under the tiles.
No insulation. Oh, no, it does. It does, yeah.
Okay.
Yep, there's a big aircon duct here as well.
Yeah. So,
Okay, ito yung loob ng roof. Ayan, itong mag-explore ako nito. Okay, so we're gonna find that light there.
yeah.
Alright,
Snake is
On
living
this
up
light.
you have to tap on the roof too so I know where you are.
Yeah, we're gonna see that.
Yeah, okay.
Up there.
Okay, wish me luck, Shan.
May ahas dun sa taas.
Hey, Don't You Fam. Napaka mainit dito sa loob ng roof. As in, grabe. Oh. Oh. Yow! Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh. Mainit. May ilaw ako dito. Tsaka may whirly bird dun. Para may maliwanag. Medyo maliwanag yung loob ng roof. So, ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Yung mga maputi na kahoy. Ayan. Kinakat ko yun. Tapos nilalagay ko sa mga agwat. So, tingnan nyo. Nakita nyo yung line dyan. Yung line sa gitna. Kailangan takpan ko yung line na yan. Kasi i-screw namin mula sa baba papunta dito sa taas para mas stable na yung roof. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, here we go. Ito na. Gamitin ko yung saw na to para ihatid ko yung kahoy na to. Here we go. Ang init. Sobra sa loob. Kasi tanghali na. Alright. Fixing the door and that. You gonna drill that one today? The rest of it?
A little tight, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna go a bit stricter.
Oh, usually, okay. Okay, Dwaine fam, mission accomplished. Nasa ceiling na yung mga cap fillers. So, ngayon, alis na kami. Pumunta na kami sa Gold Coast kasi may surprise kami para sa kapatid ko na si Brooke. Nag-graduate na po siya sa university, sa college. At napaka-espesyal ang occasion na to kasi she's like the cum laude ng buong university.
Not cum laude, she's like magna. You know,
Magna, yes, like the pinakatas. Basta she's the top of the university, no? For law. Law, yung degree niya. Tapos may special medal siya mula sa Griffith University. And only 17 of these medals have ever been given out in the buong history ng Griffith University. So, yeah, it's a really special occasion kasi grabe talaga ang talino ni Brooke. Grabe talaga ang effort niya sa university. Imagine, no, top of the university. Yeah, basta, dun na kami pupunta ngayon sa graduation ceremony niya. Okay guys, bye for now.